Razer Pro Click Review. The Razer Pro Click is undoubtedly one of the finest Bluetooth-capable mice we've encountered in a long time. Its stunning design, which we might even call elegant, and its meticulously crafted ergonomics make it challenging to find a better mouse for home or office use at this price point. It boasts many features typically found in Razer's top gaming mice, yet it avoids the excessive flair of a typical gaming mouse. While it includes a few programmable buttons for macros, it keeps the thumb side mostly uncluttered. Friend, remember that you're my motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Subscribe now and stay connected, make me happy. The Razer Pro Click can maintain up to 3 separate Bluetooth wireless profiles, allowing for easy switching between different systems at home or the office, a feature especially valuable for multi-boxers. Additionally, the included wireless USB dongle ensures compatibility with virtually any computer. However, the lack of a USB Type-C port is disappointing, and the front micro USB connection is awkwardly designed, making the included charging cord the only one that fits. Also, being a full-sized mouse, it may not be the most portable option for frequent travelers. Despite these minor issues, we struggle to find a reason not to recommend the Razer Pro Click. While it may not be suitable for esports enthusiasts aiming to win tournaments, it excels as a high-quality, ergonomically superior Bluetooth mouse for general use. Can you support me by subscribing to my channel? We need to reach 1,000 subscribers. Price and availability. The Razer Pro Click is currently available on Razer's website for $100. It is part of a 3-piece collection of productivity peripherals, including the Razer Pro Type, a mechanical, wireless keyboard, and the Razer Pro Glide, a mousepad, both sold separately. However, since the Pro Glide is designed to complement the Razer Pro Click, you can purchase it for approximately $10 when buying the Pro Click. While the Pro Glide is a sizable mousepad, its main appeal is its matching design, which may be important for those who value a cohesive look in their workspace. I need your support to reach 1,000 subscribers. Could you subscribe to my channel, Design? The Razer Pro Click was created in collaboration with Human Scale, a leading manufacturer of ergonomic workplace peripherals. This partnership has resulted in one of the most comfortable mice Razer has ever produced. The mouse is engineered to maintain the user's wrist at an optimal angle of 30 degrees. The palm rest curves under your hand, preventing your wrist from anchoring to the desktop surface and encouraging the use of arm and shoulder muscles, which are larger and less prone to fatigue over a full day's use. One of the most appealing aspects of the Razer Pro Click is its design. Intended for office use, it avoids the flashy RGB lighting and jet black design typical of Razer's gaming mice. Instead, it features a subdued cream-colored top with textured grips on the thumb and pinky sides, providing maximum control. The mouse wheel, made of textured metal alloy, both looks and feels exceptional. However, the major drawback of the Razer Pro Click is the charging port located at the front of the mouse. It uses a micro USB connection rather than a preferred USB Type-C. More problematic is the recessed placement of the micro USB port, which is too deep for standard micro USB chargers to reach. This means you must use the specially designed micro USB cable that comes with the mouse, or you'll be unable to charge it if you lose this cable. Can you help me grow by subscribing to my channel? I need your support to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Performance. In terms of control, while the Razer Pro Click adopts a sleek, minimalist design over the gamer-chic aesthetic, it retains all the performance features of a modern gaming mouse. This brings an exceptional level of precision to the office environment that many workers rarely experience. With a DPI of 16,000 and a tracking accuracy of 99.4%, the Razer 5G optical sensor in the Pro Click makes it one of the most responsive office mice available. The mechanical switches beneath the left and right mouse buttons are rated for 50 million clicks, and the mouse's battery can last up to 400 hours on a single charge. The USB wireless dongle is stored under a plastic cover on the underside of the mouse, making it difficult to lose. Additionally, the mouse supports up to 4 different Bluetooth profiles, allowing easy switching between devices with the push of a button. You can help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers by subscribing to my channel. 3 reasons to buy it. 1. You want a professional-looking, high-performance wireless mouse. The Razer Pro Click's design is eye-catching despite its neutral color palette. It may appear minimalist, but it's equipped with excellent hardware for top-notch performance. 2. You don't want to spend a fortune on a quality mouse. At $100, the Pro Click offers a fantastic deal considering its design and performance, making it a great value. 3. You want options when it comes to connectivity. The Pro Click provides 2 wireless options and a direct USB connection. It supports up to 4 Bluetooth pairings, offering a high degree of connectivity flexibility. I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. 3 reasons not to buy. 1. You need a left-handed/ambidextrous mouse. The Razer Pro Click is designed for right-handed users. If you need a left-handed option, this isn't the right choice. 2. You lose micro USB cables frequently. The mouse requires the specific micro USB cable it comes with for charging. Losing this cable could be problematic. 3. You want a feature-packed gaming mouse. While the Pro Click shares performance traits with gaming mice, it is designed for office use and lacks the extensive features of an esports mouse.